Hi, Nathaniel. Happy birthday. Is it your second birthday today? I think you just turned 2. And what'd you get for your birthday? A tunnel for your train set. See that red tunnel over there? Yeah, and a brand new, show me the train house. The red tunnel. Then show me the train house you got today. Nice knees. You got the yellow train today and those 2 trains that are making chuffing sounds. Chuff, chuff, chuff. And there's your train house. Are you going to put the trains to sleep? Good night, trains. Good morning, trains. Good night, trains.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bye. Whoa, whoa.
What sound does a train make, Nathaniel?
Whoa.
What does a train make? What sound? You're very bright. What sound does a train make?
Okay. Bye.
Choo choo.
Bye.